Yeah, what is the last? Yesterday we discussed Java features, right? Yeah, today we'll discuss Java tokens. Yeah, one by one feature we discuss, guys. Okay, at that time we discuss what is robust also we discuss. Multi-threading. At the time of multi-threading we discuss. Okay. Yeah, next Java tokens. Right? Java token. What is Java token? Token is a smallest part in the program. Token is the smallest part in the program. Okay. Yeah, what are the Java tokens? Yeah, guys, tell me what are Java tokens? Variables. Second one is what? What we use in the program. Variables, data types. Third one is operators. Yeah, fourth one is access specifiers and modifiers and keywords. Variables, data types. Right? This variables, data types, operators, access specifiers and modifiers and keywords. Finish the first one, variables, guys. Variable is a variable is a temporary name given to a memory location. Variable is a temporary name given to a memory location. Yeah, how to declare variables, guys? Syntax is right. We write public int s number, private. We can write like this: private string s name, protect protected float average, double D. Next one is data types, guys. Data types are classified into two types: primitive data types, reference data types. Primitive means it stores the values. Reference means stores the addresses. Yeah. What are the primitive data types, guys? We discuss one by one. What are the primitive data types? Primitive data types again classified into series. First one is number data type. Primitive data types. Again four types. Primitive. Okay, no? Yeah. What are the primitive data type? Byte. Byte is a one data type, guys. It occupies 1 byte. Range is minus 128 to plus 127. No format specifiers to print. Short. Yeah, what is short takes 2 bytes. This range is how much? Minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Int. Int 4 bytes, guys. This range is also right. Large values it accepts. Long 8 bytes. This is also it accept large values. No need to remember the size. Okay. 2 power. If you want that value, 2 power 32. Find out 2 power 32. This is what? 8 8 bits, right? Each byte 8 bits. 8 into 8. 2 power 64. minus 2 power 64 to plus 2 power 64. This is what? 2 power 16 to minus 2 power 16 to plus 2 power. This is 2 power 8 to plus 2 power 8. Okay, na? Next, second one is what? Character data type. Only one character data type is there, guys. That is a character. Here, 2 bytes character occupies 2 bytes, guys. Yeah. What is the range? 0 to 65,535. Unicode character set it supports, guys. Unicode character set. Third one is decimal data type, guys. Float occupies 4 bytes. Double occupies 8 bytes. Yeah, float double. If you want more long, you can add, guys. That is a qualifier. You can add for integers also, and you can add for float also. Yeah, complete number data types. Yeah, next fourth one, Boolean data type is there. Nothing but a logical data type. Yeah, what is the logical data type? Boolean value, guys. Boolean data type is there. It takes 1 byte. That is true or false. Let's complete four types: number data types, character data types, decimal, logical data types. This is a primitive, guys. Reference data types are what? String is a reference data type. Arrays are reference data types. Arrays, classes. These three are reference data types, guys. Strings, string class. String is a reference data type. Arrays are reference data types. Classes also reference data types. Completed. A third one, guys. Access specifiers and modifiers. Operator same like a C language only, guys. Yeah, next one, access specifiers and modifiers. Hash code means address, Ravinder. Yeah, I will tell you about that clearly. Okay, don't worry. Access specifiers and modifiers. Right, what are the access specifiers? Public, private, protected, and default. No modifier is called default. Okay. Static, abstract, final, transient, synchronized. Yeah, public, guys. Guys, can you tell what is public? Guys, public. Yeah, what is object oriented? I will tell you guys everything now. Yeah, public, private, protected. Listen carefully now onwards, right? Yeah, completed. Huh? Yeah, see guys, we have C, C++, Java. Yeah, what is C guys? Procedure oriented language, right? C is a procedure oriented or function oriented language. Yeah, C++ is object oriented. Partially, right? It's a partially object oriented, not a purely object oriented. Object oriented partially. Java is purely object oriented. Again, it's not, you can't say purely, except data types. They are not objects. Okay, no? Yeah, what is procedure oriented? What is object oriented? Right? Yeah, why those are accessible by any class? Nikila, very good, Nikila. Yeah, first of all, what is the use of C? Right, you know, guys, C designed for games and mobile games, right? You know, right, compilers and system softwares. We can design system softwares, nothing but a drivers, right? Operating system, right? Small softwares like system softwares, drivers only, right? Yeah. After that, see, why they invented the C++? Because in C there is no security. For example, C code, if I write, for example, this is C code, guys. Int x is 10, y is 20, and z. Void add function, void subtract function. Int x is 10, y is 20, z. Add, void add, z equals to x plus y, void subtraction, z equals to x minus y. Okay, na? This is what, right? C language. Yeah. Can I call x value here? Yes. Can I use y value here? Yes. Can I call add function somewhere else? Yes. Subtract function? Yes. Add function you can use it. Subtract function you can use it. Wherever we want you can use it. Right? But it's a procedure oriented. No, there is no security. The data freely flowing from one module to another module. Are you following? There is no restrictions for the data. No restrictions for the data. Are you following us? Wherever we want we can call there. Wherever we want we can call that place. No restrictions for the data. Are you following, guys? Right? What is procedure here? Procedure nothing but a function. This is one function, this is another function. Right? It's a function, this is also function. Right? Are you following, guys? Functions are procedures. C is a function oriented or procedure oriented language. Understood why C is called procedure oriented? C program structure is right, guys. Why C is called procedure oriented language? C program structure is divided into some procedures. Here procedures nothing but functions. So there is no, right? C program structure is divided into some procedure. That's why C is called procedure oriented. Right? Are you following, guys? C is called procedure oriented. That's why you can't. Are you following, guys? There is no restrictions in procedure oriented. Okay. That is why it is called function oriented language or procedure oriented language. In procedure orientation, right, or in function oriented, there is no security for the data. The data is freely flowing from one module to in C program. The data freely flowing from one module to another module. Okay. So there is no security. Can I call this function here? Yeah. Can I take a main function? Yes. We can take main function, guys. This is the main function I have taken. Can I call add function? Yes, we can call. Can I call subtract function? Yes, we can call. Wherever we want, we can call. Are you following us? C program structure is divided like this. This one, add function. Can I call add function? Yes. Can I call subtract? Yes. We can call wherever we want. We can call wherever we want. No security, right? There is no security for the data. Write this, guys. The data is freely flowing. Just draw the diagram like this. The data is freely flowing from one module to another module. Add function, subtract function. They're calling no. The data is freely flowing from one module. Write this. Give arrows like this. Yeah. When it comes to C++, just we add a oops features, guys. What is mean by oops features, right? Yeah, what is object oriented? Just guys, C language, for C language, just we add class, that's all. Just we add class like this. Everything we keep in class. Just we add what? Access specifier. This is private. I have kept private this. In C++ we keep like this. Private it is. Then it's a, can I write public? Yes, we can write public. This is a public. Now private and public we add guys. Okay, in C++. Just what I added guys, same code, just class I added, right? Object oriented principle. Just I added class, right? Clear guys? Just private public. What is private public? In C++ we discussed. Private means cannot be accessed outside, right? Public, anywhere you can access in C++. Are you following guys? Are you following? That is C++ guys. This is why it's a partial object. The sum is class. Half of the code class will be there without class. This is a function. That's why it's a partially object oriented. Right? It's a partially object oriented guys. Clear? Half of the code with function, with class, without class also you can write the program. Completed, right? Java, object, purely object oriented guys. Public, private, protected we write. What is public here? Write a public, private, protected, right? Public means what guys? In Java also we have this four. Public, private, protected, default. Public means public data can be accessed anywhere. Anywhere in the program. Not only program, anywhere in the application. Private. Private data can be accessed within the class. Private data can be accessed. Yeah, guys, private data can be accessed. Yeah, big thunders. Private data can be accessed within the class. Protected. What is protected, guys? Within the package and subclass of other package. What is package? I will tell you. Subclasses of other package. Default. Last one is default. Within the package, default no modifier also called access modifier. No modifier. or package modifier. No modifier also called package modifier. Are you following guys? Yeah, within the package we can access. What is this? We can access. Yeah, write these four access modifiers now. Explain. Uh, Protector and default. I will explain guys. First finish. Yeah, right. What is package, guys? In C we call header files. In Java we call packages. Right? What is package? Package is nothing but a collection of classes and interfaces. Redefine classes and interfaces. Yeah, what is class? Okay, class contain data. Already I told you, no. Class. What is class, guys? Class is nothing but see this. This is class. It's nothing but a variables it contains, functions it contains. Class is a collection of functions and methods. This is called sorry variables and methods. These are called data members and member functions. Data members and member functions, right? A package is a collection of see this collection of classes and it is a one package. Package nothing but a folder, guys. Just it is a folder. This is also folder. See, can I say it's a folder? Is this folder? Sorry, is this package? Yes, it is a package, right? This is sub package. Inside is a package. inside this is what sub package. Okay, this is sub package. These are packages and sub packages inside sub packages. Okay, now are you following us? Yeah, we have it is one package A1. A1 is a one folder or package. Okay, A2 is another folder or package. It is having some classes. One is class A and the same class B like that. Yeah, this is what class C, no relation with anything. Class D, for example, if it is having protected data, protected data can be accessed within the package and subclass of other package. There is no subclass, right? This is a extents. This is called sub package, guys. Sorry, subclass. It is a parent and a child class. This is a class D extends A. This can be used in A data can be used in A as what is A, guys? Class. A is what? Class name. B is a class name. What is class contains? Class contains data. B also contains data. C also contains data. D also contain data. What is extends, guys? Directly we can access. That is a like a parent properties directly. This extends means what? Parent, guys. A is a parent to D. Okay, directly we can access. Yeah, what is the meaning of this? This data, protected data, can be accessed within the package and means A data can be accessed in B. Yes. Can you access in C and D? No, we can't access in C. We can access in D because relation is there. What is I told? See this protected data within the package and subclasses of other package. Default. What is no modifier is called default. I did not write anything for class. There is no public class. If you write public class, that is a public class B, public class C, public class D. Uh, we can write if you did not write anything, that is called default. Okay, this is default, guys. This is default. Default data. What is default data? Are you following us? This is default. Clear at this point? This is default. A data can be accessed in B. That is default. I think package is nothing but a collection of predefined classes and interfaces. Collection of predefined classes and interfaces. Finish the collection of predefined classes and interfaces. Yeah, public, private, protected, and default. Okay, na? When it comes to C language, completed, right? This is package means what? Yeah, second point. What is second point? Differences. No security. In C, no security, guys. Here also no security. Using access specifier, we can't provide security. This is also, it's a secured. Java is secured. Okay, because of pointers. No pointers, that's why it's secured. Okay, Java is pure secure because of no pointers. Yesterday class we discussed pointers. Pointer means what? Pointer purpose is it accesses the data fastly. What is a pointer? Pointer is address. Pointer is what? Address. What is the use of address? To get quickly. Using pointers, we can get the data quickly. Right? We can get the data quickly. Are you following? If there is no pointers, what happens, guys? If there is no pointers, you can't access quickly, right? And also, what is the other way? If it is private data also, even private data also we can access using pointers. Through pointers, we can access private data also. Remember this point. Using pointer, we can access. Why? Because we are directly entering into the physical memory, right? Then we can access. That is a pointers capacity. That's why that concept removed in Java. No pointers in Java. Third one is it's a platform dependent. It is a platform dependent, guys. It is also platform dependent. It's a platform independent. Okay, fourth one. You know, right? Yesterday we discussed what is platform dependent. Okay, system architecture dependent. This is architecture dependent. Yeah, I will tell you this point. What is architecture dependent? This is also architecture dependent. This is what? A architecture neutral. Yeah, what is architecture dependent? What is architecture dependent? For example, guys, this is Windows 7. My software is architecture processor, right? This is i3 processor, right? System type is 32-bit operating system, right? You can see Windows 7 Ultimate, right? This is software. It is upgraded to, whenever it is upgraded to, for example, Windows 8, the software may not work. Are you following, guys? For example, when we are using phones, system updation, it will ask, you know, right? System updation, upgrade or updation. Okay, whenever if you click on updation, nothing will happen, right? Your apps may not reflect. Some apps may not reflect, but some apps it asks for updation. Please update your software. Why? Because that is a older version to that older version, right? Whenever you are updated to new latest version, your software also should be update. That is architecture neutral, guys, right? Java is not required. Whenever it is updated, no need to update the Java software. Are you following, guys? Architecture dependent and architecture dependent and architecture neutral. Clear up? Are you following, guys? Yeah, these are the main differences, guys. These are the main differences between C and C++ and Java. Okay. In the next session, we discuss keywords and how to write a program, how to install Java software, what is Java software contains. In the next session, Java software contains what? Okay, in Java software, what is there? Okay, and also how to write a program, not directly how to write, how to start the program, how to write a main function, right? What are the outputs functions? What are the different packages? What is there in software? Clear? In the next session, we'll discuss, guys. Okay, na? Any doubts till now? This class? Next session, we discuss keywords. Yeah, that's all, guys. Next session will continue. Thank you. Yes, you can leave. Yeah, thank you, Sai Sampriti. Architecture dependent. Shiv Sumant, you are using mobile now. In your mobile, it will ask for software updation, OS updation. Whenever you install, whenever you click on that software updation, what happens? Some apps, no need to install again apps, right? No need to install again apps. Are you following, guys? No need to install apps because they are automatically architecture dependent, right? Sorry, architecture neutral. That's why no need to upgrade. But some apps will be there. For example, whenever your OS changes, okay, OS changed, right? Whenever OS changed, automatically your software also updation it will ask, right? You have to install particular software for that OS. Clear? That is architecture neutral. సింపుల్ సాయి శివ సుమన్ మనం సి వాట్సాప్ మీకు అప్డేషన్ అడుగుతుంది అప్పుడప్పుడు రైట్ మీరు ఓఎస్ కూడా అప్డేషన్ అడుగుతుంది రైట్ ఓఎస్ అప్డేషన్ మీరు ఓఎస్ అప్డేట్ చేసినప్పుడల్లా వాట్సాప్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు సమ్ యాప్స్ నో నీడ్ టు డూ దే ఆర్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ న్యూట్రల్ క్లియర్ దట్స్ ఆల్ గైస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ